Welcome to ShelftTech channel. Today, we will explore interesting and exciting content together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos from us. Installing tree pits with the SUDS and ArborFlow drainage system is not only an effective solution for urban stormwater management, but also an innovative breakthrough in flood reduction, controlling water flow rates, and filtering harmful pollutants. ArborFlow represents an advanced combination of tree pits and water management technology, creating a smart, efficient, and sustainable infrastructure. It not only generates cool green spaces, but also helps urban areas withstand the negative impacts of stormwater. ArborFlow is a perfect blend of modern urban design and environmental protection. Modular stairs are a fantastic innovation created from flexible modules to form an aesthetically pleasing exterior staircase. Customizable coating options include wood, ceramics, and tiles, providing not only an aesthetic highlight, but also convenience and practicality for users. With the ability for one person to install it within half a day or a day, it is not just a practical solution, but also saves time and labor. Modular stairs are not only a blend of elegance and functionality, but also an icon of innovation and creativity in architectural design. The SAM system installation with adjustable blades opens up a new world of outdoor experiences. This flexibility not only brings about a comfortably shaded area, but also creates an ideal environment for every occasion. Whether enjoying sunlight or providing shade, the SAM system installation is your reliable companion in experiencing outdoor spaces anytime, anywhere. Especially with its smart shading, rain shelter feature, the SAM system installation offers a perfect outdoor experience, ensuring protection and optimizing comfort for every family member or public space. Somersby U-shaped house is a masterpiece of intelligent and modern construction, utilizing a footprint-free foundation, modular steel frame flooring, and a U-shaped wall system. This not only optimizes construction time, but also minimizes environmental impact. The modular steel frame flooring brings flexibility to the design, enhancing load-bearing capacity. Somersby U-shaped house is not just a home, but also an icon of innovation and advancement. Separation and waterproofing membrane is not only a simple solution, but also an excellent integration of separation, waterproofing, management, and vapor support. Faced with the challenges of conventional tile substrates, this product provides flexibility and durability. The waterproofing function ensures reliable protection, ensuring safety for the structure. At the same time, the ability to manage and support vapor keeps the interior environment dry and comfortable. Integration brings comprehensive performance and durability to every construction project. Bottle Jack. The Super Bottle Jack is a little star in the world of lifting tools. Despite its small size, it is an embodiment of power, capable of lifting structures as effortlessly as if lifting a bottle. It is not just a lifting tool, but also a small miracle that helps you navigate space with flexibility and efficiency. This tool not only saves space, but also provides convenience and flexibility for any lightweight lifting project. If you need an efficient and compact solution for lifting tasks, the bottle jack is an excellent choice. Sika Waterbar, the flexible and effective combination of PVC water stop and FreightyFlex metal water stop. Specially designed to securely anchor into expansion joints while casting concrete, they not only provide superior waterproofing capabilities, but also keep the structure flexible when facing natural movements. Integrated with injection hoses and a flexible design, they help seal tight against leaks, from water reservoirs to underground structures. The perfect blend of quality and performance, Sika Waterbar is the pinnacle of high-end waterproofing technology. Schlüter-LIPROTEC-LLPM is a groundbreaking advancement in lighting technology, combining plug-and-play connectivity. With fully encapsulated LED strips, this module not only creates innovative highlights, but also accentuates the edges of the wall, blending modernity and uniqueness. The design of Schlüter-LIPROTEC-LLPM not only brings a modern touch to the space, but also simultaneously creates a focal point, enhancing the aesthetic and visual value of any interior or exterior design project. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please leave your comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next videos.